Hi friends, today I am going to teach you a Markaba meditation. Doing this meditation, you shall feel very peaceful and very happy because in this meditation, I am teaching you how to forgive others and at the same time pray for others. In this Markaba meditation, you are supposed to relax yourself. First, imagine that your whole body is relaxing. Now, slowly and gently close your eyes. Imagine all the negative energy from every point of your body is going out. Now, imagine there is a bright light within your heart. Now, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Completely relax yourself. Now imagine there are two inverted pyramids, very bright, shining, light energy pyramids, which are inverted in nature. Slowly imagine yourself entering into these pyramids. Imagine that these pyramids are vibrating at a very high frequency. Now imagine yourself to be connected with higher angels, archangels, and God through this Merkaba pyramidal structure. Imagine the bright light within your heart is connected to God. In the spinning, high spinning pyramid, imagine the saints are spinning with you. Now send your love from the heart to your friends, family, and all the human beings on planet Earth. All human beings on planet Earth have the same divine light energy in their heart. So we are all connected. Therefore, treat them with infinite love and kindness and compassion. Imagine divine energy from gods, angels, archangels is flowing through you from the top of your head through the pyramid, and you are giving this infinite love to all the people irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. All are able to imbibe this great energy. Now imagine the whole earth is engulfed in golden, yellow, divine energy, and you are connected to it. You are experiencing infinite peace. Slowly, you are leaving this body, entering the cosmos, traveling through infinite planets, star systems, and galaxies to connect with the divine source of God, God's energy and light power. You are getting connected to this God's original energy through Merkaba, and you are remaining suspended in this peaceful state. Remain suspended in God's love and peaceful state. Imagine yourself imbibing Lord's Almighty's love energy and His blessings. You are filled with these blessings, and slowly you are giving this energy to all the fellow human beings on planet Earth so that they also get the peace and blissful state and the blessings of God. Now, slowly imagine that you are returning. Your energy body is returning slowly towards the earth's surface and is slowly entering inside your body to the through the head chakra, that is in the Merkaba. You are experiencing infinite love, joy, and peace. You're feeling blessed in your communion with God. Now slowly become aware of your body. Feel the energy of Mother Earth tingling at your feet. Your energy has completely returned inside your body. You're feeling relaxed. Now take a deep breath in, breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in, breathe out. Becoming slowly aware of your surroundings and your body. Slowly and gently, you might open your eyes. This Markaba meditation can be practiced twice or thrice a day. You shall be highly benefited because you shall remain in communion with God. At the same time, you shall forgive others and give blessings to your fellow human beings. I would come up with more meditation videos concerning fear detox and being stress free. Thank you.